Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to add watermark to Microsoft Word document online. So there are no default method to add the watermark. So we have to firstly download any watermark picture, find out any watermark picture and make sure it's a transparent picture, then copy it. Now login document. Double click this header area. Remove this table if you don't need it and Control V. Paste your picture. Right click on your picture and wrap text. Here select behind text. Adjust your picture size. In the picture format, you can transparency. And make more settings what you need here. Now paste the text like this. So guys, comment this video useful for you. Comment this video useful for you, and if you like, so share, like, and subscribe this channel.